don't get any words to describe waiting.
Happen there.
Beautiful from beginning to end.
So you carry you say, I don't know, so most of these places say you carry your evidence, like dress like your evidence. Did you? Well,
we get the dress like your evidence. Not be that particular day.
Okay.
Now, I think last week, then the last
So
day.
as they say, just you wear wedding gown again.
I get dressed be like wedding gown.
Okay.
So I wear them.
Okay, because I know say that one of the evidence they wait for. So as they don't wear the wedding gown for yourself, you don't wear for me.
Now the second time I did wear them.
You know me, don't wear for me too.
So of course.
Praise Master Jesus.
No, but honestly, I just want to say something. When you want something, no allow people make them bully you.
Or make they talk
you out of them.
Yeah.
Because I know say I talk them 2 times that day. Talk them during across the bridge. Even during workshop, I still talk and say I need ticket. I need ticket, and go do them. Beautiful time. I make a new friend, 2 new friends for the
male or female.
2 females.
But lady there, I will ask the number of people will come the Hallelujah festival where you go now, because somebody still keep asking me this question. Say most of all these religion activities where will they do? Out of 100%, maybe now 15 will be men. The whole 75 or 80% now women. So this one where you go. At least you see.
I see a lot of men. Okay. I'm not gonna lie you. I see a lot of men will come. Everybody they find one thing or the other. This will not be a case of competition between man and woman. Everybody get what they ask God
because
for.
The reason why I asked again was because when we went for this, I speak English. When we go this NSPPD Lagos conference, and I tell you how many messages enter my DM when they talk, say, so Becca, you're among this set of people. I'm like, I don't understand. I'm among the children of God.
Make you no go.
Like, is that what you are trying to say? Can't talk say, in the show say, nah, so women.
No, be only women, no.
That's why you say women are too emotional. Say women are emotional beings. Say now men they be logical beings. Men they think straight.
It go shock you how many men did there. I go shock you how many men go, as if you see grown men. In fact, if you see some people will be CEOs of companies where they dance, where carry that CEO title, throw out for one corner they dance. You no go talk anything. No go talk. CEO of banks.
So how many hours can I spend there?
We start at 9. We finish around after 5 thereabouts.
After 5, you know, close your eyes at any point.
Well, as human being where I be, at some point I tire, but I can't stand because I no one forget waiting carry me. Go there, you know. So
because some people when they come here yesterday, I so sleep. They sleep for my side. Though. Though they know themselves. When they don't, when they leave house at 3 a.m. when they reach here. They reach here before 5.
3 a.m.
Now 3 a.m. I believe they don't leave. This person don't leave in house. Even 5 went out, so I don't see them. Like hello, good morning. I say, oh, good morning. Are you kidding? Yes, I am. You're welcome. Because when the person enters, see Ginger. It's okay. Yes, Ginger. Only for me, as I say, make I look my side. I don't see.
But you don't be firewood at the end of the day.
I say I understand the ginger.
No matter how much ginger you get, whether you like them or not, your body thing. Go.
Why those videographers where they did for church? When you they jump, they shout, praise God, hallelujah, you they bounce in the Lord. They don't go video you. Now when you don't dey tire, you can't open your mats.
Come forget yourself.
Make you just forget yourself small. Before you know, for the main big
screen.
You just show your face like this film.
Them be mafias.
No, those
them
people,
be haters.
Are you sure they are going to make heaven? Because it's unfair.
You know, another thing where I do again, I promise I could go out. So on Sunday I go watch movie. I go watch movie on Sunday, and then something can happen. In fact, 2 things happen that Sunday. Now I go Ikeja City Mall. So as I finish, I say, okay, make I enter, buy 1 or 2 things where I need. So as they look around the stores, I don't pick what I want. As I they waka, I can't see this small picking. The picking know they now about 1 year old because na toddler. It just there where they sell these disinfectants.
Okay.
They play with them. I say, how we go leave this pikin unattended to? And they play with disinfectant. I know say everything for pikin eye na toy.
Yes. So they put them for mouth.
Now we put them for mouth. So I can't. Where's your mommy? He say, mommy. Where's your mommy? Mommy. You know, Sabi talk. I say, okay. I go to ask the people around. Now you're picking. Everybody say no. No. Hey, who go come shopping mall with pikin, leave pikin? I can't ask some other people where they start. Okay, so we can ask people we won't pay for their items. Now who get this pikin? I say, no, be me. Hey. I say, okay. Another shopper we see side they find because say, who go leave in pikin like this? And she did with her friend. She said, okay. No, what we go do? We go report them to the security. So she can't carry the pikin. They say, mommy, let's take you to mommy. We'll take you to mommy. You know, we can't reach the security now. Security man say, okay, we'll go report to the manager. So carry the pikin, reach the manager and give children. I do video about them, post them. Children, give them credit. Then they're very intelligent. Just that say they no fit express how then they feel at that point in time. Yeah. But the pikin no say something don't change. So as we leave him with the manager, he can't they cry. So he can't carry the pikin come out. They try to go do announcement. That's so one man can't reach. Yeah. Now maybe the papa of the pikin.
Can you imagine?
Now I say, how you go leave your pikin to the waka?
Yeah.
Anyhow. He say, he don't know when the pikin waka go. So he leave the pikin with his wife. They pay for
so
item.
Where the wife dey?
Now I said, so where your wife?
Yeah.
At first the manager say, you guys show us proof with the father.
Exactly.
No, if he just give you.
Yeah.
He can't show us picture of with the pikin and the wife. Because I vex. I say, but which kind of carelessness be this?
Exactly.
You don't know say in this time people they kidnap children anyhow. You can't leave your pikin for here. Tomorrow night go call the chat say you carry your pikin come shopping mall. You don't see your pikin again. I say, how possibly be say your pikin go can't leave you and your wife no go know.
No,
two of them at the same time.
Careless.
Very careless. We say no, make the woman come. We won't see her.
Yeah.
So when the woman come now, she come. I say, why go? I'm very sorry. She come carry the pikin. Now one tell her say, no, try this thing again. No, try this again. See. Children, they talk now. Children, they very, very curious and inquisitive. Leave pikin, everything pikin see na toy. Everybody na the pikin friend.
Yeah.
They don't get enemy.
Yeah.
So if you not guide them, if you not hold them, they go just give them small chance. They don't waka go. Even for house, we know they see them.
Yes, now when somebody to talk, you leave your pikin with nanny. Nanny go just they watch TV. They go before you. They say the pikin don't fall inside drum. You don't fall inside bath. You don't choke finish inside water. We don't hear
so many stories.
So no. A lot of people. They are with a lot of parents out there.
Very careless.
You understand? But they just be somebody papa, somebody mama, and I always talk. I'm not be about biological parents. Are you a responsible father? Are you a responsible mother? How can both of them carry head for the same place?
So and they don't see when the pikin waka go.
No.
That's not the height of carelessness.
No, the both of them they need to do something. If I assume inside they there for wipe them koboko.
They deserve the koboko jari.
Lady J, I want to play something now.
Because
play people don't they ask me questions. Say, you never discuss about this Natasha matter. I don't carry the Madam Natasha matter come now. He gets all this. He gets this man. Where we say he don't yarn based on top, they say now the Senate Deputy Chief Whip, Senator Nwebonyi. Now so this man blasts Senator Natasha. In fact, the blasting no be small thing. Lady J, we will go listen to the voice notes now.
Maybe we listen to her.
Maybe yeah.
The first time, just give me some time. This is not the first time this woman is doing this. This is a woman that have accused Yaya Bello of sexual harassment. This is the same woman that have accused I'm coming. Allow me to flow. Allow me to flow. Okay. This is the same woman that accused Reno Mokri, the former media aide to Jonathan, of sexual harassment. This is a woman I saw in a video yesterday accusing a minister of sexual harassment. Are you the only woman in Nigeria, Senator Natasha? What is wrong with you?
Oh, your mic.
But Senator Webber,
1 second.
This is madness.
Senator Webber, just because
Nigerian women should rise against it. Let me tell you something.
Yes.
Senator Natasha is spoiling game for Nigerian women trying to enter politics because nobody will vote for a woman. No, I'm telling you, if women can behave this way, then that is danger.
Well, that's a generalization. That's a generalization.
And I have my points.
Senator Wimboy, that's a generalization.
In this latent provocation, you accuse he went to physically harass me. Who are you?
All right.
A mother of six.
She's a
mother of six from different men. Without going to her character, this is a mother of six from different men.
All right, then.
All right,
Mr.
Sexual allegations don't have anything to do with the marital status or the number of children she has.
Let
me ask you the next question.
I'm going to her character. She has to change.
But this is misogyny here.
Yeah, I'm telling you the truth.
Can we ask you the next question?
Go ahead, I'm here for you.
Mm-hmm. You don't hear so. So I say make I play that voice note first, but now later even when myself they do my finding, I realize that they don't talk. Say there was one time she actually talk say Reno Omokri sexually harassed her at one time, and say Oga Reno Omokri, they take
this kind of thing,
this kind of accusation,
likely.
They take unlikely.
Mm-hmm.
So when that thing happen, they say Oga Reno Omokri, so may they carry the matter go court now. Shebi, you say I sexually harass you and the rest of them, but at the end of the day, the matter died down. I think they said they settled it or whatever. But from waiting this Oga deputy chief now, don't they talk? A lot of reactions don't come based on the way we say the man talk the whole matter. Say when we talk about sexual harassment, maybe they know they talk about the fact maybe she's a married woman, she be woman we don't born 6 children, but Lady J, since they don't drag this Madam Natasha arrangement, what do you feel about this whole harassment where she talks about Akpabio harass her? So
the only question I get, in as much as yes I be woman, and make you no come be like say they throw away another woman under the bus, but the question now, why it be say now only you? They complain say they harass you. You say Senator Akpabio, he harass you. Ogareno, he harass you. Who again?
You say Yahaya Bello to
harass him. Okay, what thing they do when they make these men to harass you? Because they get this adage say no smoke without fire. When you see smoke, just not say fire, you no go to take. You go show something not just they add up, something they wrong somewhere. Why these men alone they harass you? Why?
Okay, so Lady J, make I try to play the devil's advocate. In this part of the world, we know say they hard for women to come out to talk say they did sexually harassed because of the stigmatization where they come from. If we open a shop now, maybe we open somewhere now where we talk say, if they don't harass you one time or the other as a woman, please come out. I tell you, even if they don't harass 100 women, maybe now only 2 or 3 now ain't go come out. Because if we begin to even ask some of these our teenagers now, or maybe children where they between the age of like 19 and 25, so come out, can't tell us you don't date sexually harassed by anybody. Now I'm not going to politics or anybody before. It go hard for any of them
to come
out. Because number one, like I talk, this part of the world where we say we live in, stigmatization too much. Say, if I come out now, tomorrow, they can't use my own matter turn to story. So because they asked earlier on, say, why is she the only one? We feel talk, say maybe the other women, they're shy, or maybe they fear of stigmatization. If I go out and go talk, say this set of people harass me, which kind eyes?
They go take the look me. So in a case of
they does look out from that side. Yeah.
So if all this time now, I know they support harassment in any way or in any form, but sometimes we go need to ask,
because say she
some tough
husband. Her husband say when Madam Natasha tell him about the harassment, say it spoke to him. He say it spoke to Oga Akpabio. Say now he's still shocked. Say after man to man talk, like, okay, Oga, give my wife the respect where she deserve and her dignity as a woman, like, stuff like that. Say he was still shocked. Say at the end of the day, the whole harassment still they go on.
So waiting they go on, waiting they want, waiting they inside the whole package for them. Like I talk, no smoke without fire. Waiting they want from this woman where be say that they harass the woman.
A fine woman. You don't forget, say when the wife of the late Ojukwu,
Bianca,
you don't forget one of the videos where really spread when she just enter where the men, you know, everything they talk, they say for them to talk, they lose composure. They say the woman too fine. Because you know that woman very fine.
Yeah, now but yellow at one point she be the most beautiful girl in Nigeria.
You get so these men where they I don't know. She not send which of the she not send it she did.
Right now, no, she be which minister. One? They don't give her minister position.
Because I don't say one time where she go where
all this diaspora.
Where video con day? Where video day? Where are they see men? Oh, people, papa. Where
they lose guard.
They lose composure.
But they no near them.
No, that one. She mean now waiting with they see in camera. You understand? So if they can look composure in front of camera. Outside camera, we say they don't go lose composure. And this Madam Natasha too now yellow, fine.
There must be something about this yellow. Skin
now
complexion.
Why people they go bleach now? Because people
not
say,
Misha.
You know, of course I know. Now why because even if you check like the way we say our music industry be, most of the time some girls, because I know some girls where they do modeling, where they don't complain so many parts, say girls where get light skin, say that they get more jobs than them with dark skin, basically because now only
love your dark skin.
Most time now yellow girls they always
God will create you dark, no thing they do.
But well, for me I just feel say if this man self won't even make him point, the way we say the man can't
why can't they shout and second I no can like now when you say she gets 6 children from different men. Haba. How you take no say from different men? This is a woman we get husband. How you take no say from different men? You did yeah. Any of the men don't come tell you say you see that Natasha that pikin na me get them. Any man don't come tell you say then get the pikin. So how you go to talk saying from different men?
And now the first people come they ask and say, Baba, the way you they talk this thing, like say you they did there when all these
men they come and then the way they provoke, they shout onto waiting. The only question I would like to know now, okay, why be say she don't get this complaint? Because if you then take this matter, say okay, maybe we take him legally. Like the same question they go ask him.
Yeah.
Why this person? Why they be waiting happen? Waiting they inside the whole package where nobody understand
but
or know about.
That man where they even talk say now woman we gets children. I just they think now wait say she woman we gets children from different men. There are a lot of men maybe say they get plenty baby mamas.
See, Becca. Then all these men they don't dot their children for the different parts of Nigeria.
Yes.
Then go Kano, they get 1 or 2 for there. Then go where again? East, then get like 5 for there. And that 5 not be from one woman. No. Yes, if you say maybe like 3 women don't born for them, then they there. Go another side, the whole this federation, wherever they go, even outside the country, then get. So which one in they talk? Well, even a case of not beside they talk say Natasha be promiscuous woman, no. But me I go talk say this is a case of cat where they call pots black. All of now they enter fire now. So which one?
Me I just they wait because even the ex-Senate President Oga Saraki is shook matter. He shook him mad father for the matter, and then they talk say if this accusation they come so. You know, because for Madam Natasha to come to the front of the whole world
to complain. You don't let me say she no fit take him again.
No, so he talk say it's better for them to just maybe make them get committee, make them do investigation into the matter, because they even hear say some people when they talk say make him resign, make Oga Akpabio, they don't they talk say okay, may he resign, may he do this, may he do that. But my own is say make they put some committee on ground. Oh yeah, committee.
My only
investigate
problem
on top the matter. I'll be waiting you.
My only problem with this investigation is sometimes even when they do the investigation, they know they come out with the result of the investigation. Remember that slapping Senator Abo?
Yeah.
They actually do committee. They even video at the point he say he won't go talk in mind, but he go talk him without the cameras. So then guys tell all the news story people say make them come out. Then get that close the meeting. Yes, even though he offload statements and he apologized to the lady and all of that.
Yeah.
But at the time he say the result go of that investigation, come out.
Come out.
Come out. Now the wahala I get be that if they go dey very authentic and straightforward with their investigations, no wahala. We make them set committee, but even that committee where they set self, they go still request one or two things before they go see. You know now.
Yeah,
Maybe Nigeria you
of course, na Nigeria.